Today we will be testing a Forex day trading indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 399 different strategies, with 126 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 298 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,047 indicators, with 437 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading indicator. And so the source video says this oscillator shows exactly where the trend is reversing. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see if this indicator does give us some nice reversal signals. And so the indicator that we have on screen is the smooth price oscillator, and it's going to be this one right here by Big Beluga. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And since this is just a standalone indicator, we're not adding anything else to the screen, we'll put this under the indicator testing spreadsheet. And so the setup on this is pretty easy. What we're actually looking for is we're looking for signals on chart here. And so you can see for a long trade, what we are looking for is a blue dot like this here. When we get that blue dot, we want this little arrow showing a kind of swoop upwards. And lastly and most important is we want this positive sign or cross to be in attendance with the blue dot and the little swoosh. And so you can see here that there is the blue dot, little swoosh, but the cross isn't there. And so for a valid signal to the upside, we want that cross to be present, or that plus sign. And so once you get those lined up there, that's going to be your signal to enter into a long. You'll put your trade right there. You'll put your stop just right below this pivot right here, and you'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so you can see price dips just a little bit, then makes this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for, so we are looking for a orange X like this right here, not to be confused with the cross there, but we have this orange X, we have the swoosh to the downside, little arrow to the downside, and then we have the plus sign right here with it. And so once all those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll set our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right above this kind of pivot area right here. And then we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes just a little bit. We just kind of bob along there for a moment, then make this strong push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Now of those 50 trades, we got 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 34% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,200 for an overall loss of $3,000 altogether. So, not the greatest indicator. Maybe with a few other indicators, a little bit of more confluence, maybe it'd work a little bit better, but definitely not showing you exactly where trend is reversing. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 34 trades altogether. We had 27 winning trades and 10 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,200. The losing side, you'd have lost $12,000 for an overall gain of $4,200. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it'd increase that win rate quite significantly, and your total gain would have been closer to the $16,000, so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, and an update on the live trading account. And so, just yesterday, I took the 34th winning trade in a row. Still maintaining that 100% win rate, again, over 2 months now. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. That's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. In backtesting, that combination did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. So it's a very powerful combination. As a matter of fact, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon in the first month, you're not profitable, we'll give you your money back. You can join our Discord and take a look at the money back guarantee if you're interested. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.